Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss related to Selenium basic programming. So far we have covered the different tutorials related to Selenium beginner tutorial, like what is Selenium and the introduction related to Selenium, and how do we configure Selenium projects and configure in different browsers like IE, Chrome, Xpar, and Edge browser, and different locators in Selenium. So we have discussed all. In case if you are new to this tutorial, please do watch my playlist related to the Selenium beginner tutorial. So let's get started to our actual Selenium basic programming. So in this tutorial, I'm going to explain you some of the basic informations like how do we code the basic programming in the Selenium. That is using a text boxes. Why do we need text boxes? So text boxes uh, that accepts the typed values, and how can we enter those typed values using a send keys. So send keys helps us to type the values into the this text boxes. Like the text boxes may be username, password, and it may be any text boxes. That how can we type those values into those fields using a send keys. The send keys will send the user data by character, and we have a clear method as well. So why do we need this clear method? So clear method will remove all the entered values in the text field. So if there is an if some browsers will come with an feature like auto populated data. So if you are trying with send keys, then these send keys values will append the values in the existing values. So how can we erase those values? By using a clear method. And we have a method like click method. So whenever there is an option like performing any action related to buttons, so all the buttons can be accessed using the click method. And we do have a submit method. So using this submit method, we can submit the form. So let's get into our Eclipse, and we'll see all these methods into our Eclipse programming. So here I have my Eclipse IDE with a Selenium demo project. I have created a project package under my SRC, so which is a basic Selenium, and we'll start a new class which is basic Selenium 1. And we do need a public static void main, so we'll select this option. And under this, so before we type those values and we try to query some information, so we need to set our browser properties. So how can we set the browser properties? So in case if there is any browser that we need to use in our actual automation, we need to configure those browsers like Chrome, IE, Firefox, and Edge. We need to configure those browser properties. How can we do that? We have an option like system. So using system, we need to set the properties. So set. So yeah, system dot set property. We need to see the property with a key and string arguments like key and string. So in the key section, we need to provide WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, and this is a key, and the value we need to provide a server. So we need to download the server from the Selenium HQ. In case if you don't know how to download, please refer to in the comment section, or refer my previous videos in the playlist that how I have downloaded those exe files and configured. So here I have a server. Under that server I have a Chrome driver exe. So let me go to right click and properties, and I need to copy this location, entire exe location, so that I can configure this location in the my value section, and semicolon. Now we are ready with system set properties. Now we need to initiate the driver instance. So this is to set the browser properties, and here now we'll initiate the browser. So how do we do this initiating the browser? So we have WebDriver. So in case if you are unable to get this WebDriver, you need to configure the WebDriver. You need to download the jar related to the Selenium, and you need to place it in a build path. In case if you are working with POM project, you need to just provide a dependency for this Selenium. So WebDriver and instance is driver equal to new I need to select drive browser. Which browser I need to select? It's Chrome driver. So Chrome driver, and I need to end with semicolon. Now we are ready with the system set properties and initiation of browser. Now uh, now we'll see how do we use this text boxes, send keys, and clear and set method one by one. So before we'll jump into the actual coding, we'll see which application we are using now. So I have taken a Facebook page. I'm using this basic programming on this login page. So inspect this web element, and here we have id equal to email, and we need to go back to our Eclipse, and this id is a input text box. So this accepts some data. So how can we send that data? Using send keys. So I have to write this send keys will send the data to the editable contents like username, password, or any field we can enter these values. So we need to pass some values here. So normally manually we can type like this, but in Selenium we use it send keys. So here I need to use driver dot find element. Find element is used to find the element that we are trying to locate now. By what we are locating? By dot xpath id or whatever we may be using, that we need to provide here id. So I have an id value, so I will provide this id value. Now we have option to send some data to there. So how can we send that? Using send keys. So send keys. So what we are doing, we are trying to send a username via send keys. So I can say user name. This is a username, and in case if this username is already pre-populated, I mean there is something data which is already populated here once your browser is launched, how can you clear those? So there is a method called clear. I can copy till here and try email dot clear. So this method will clear the data which is already being entered automatically. So here this command will clear the text field. And this command will enter the text field. So we are trying to enter the value into the text field, and similarly I will copy locator value for password as well. So here we have id as a pass. So similarly driver dot find element, and by which locator we are using? By id. We need to provide this id, and send keys dot send keys, and this is password. And after that we have a button. So here we have a login button. So this is a form, and also this is a login button. So we can try this in two different ways. Like we can use login.click method, or we can use login.submit. Submit method is used to submit the form, and click method is perform all the buttons without like it may be a form, it may be a web element like button. We can do with this click method. So I will copy a locator value which is a name as login. So this button is a login. So similarly uh, this is a login button. Login button can be accessed by using click and submit methods. I will show you first click method, then after I will show you the submit button. Driver dot find element by dot name, and name value is login dot click. So this is how we can perform all these actions. Like we have text boxes. How can we send the data to the text box using a send keys? And how can we clear the text boxes in case if the data is already pre-populating? We can use it by clear method. And how can we perform action on a button using a click method and also a submit method? So we'll quickly run our program and see, and we'll set the driver to close after execution is done. Driver.quick. Now save this program and quickly run our program and see. So we got an error which is related to driver. Okay, I have set something different here. So this Chrome driver. Let me copy it from my console logs. I use the caps here, so I need to use all in the lower case. Let me rerun this again. Now we have successfully launched our browser. Now in the browser it will launch. Okay, we haven't given any URL to launch, so we need to provide the URL so that that action is being performed on the URL. So how can we do that? Just go to our sample page and copy this URL. So we have a method called get method to launch our URL. Launch the application URL by using get method. So how can we do that? Driver dot get, under get I can provide a string value. So by this get method we can launch our application URL in the Chrome browser. So let's redo this again. Run the program. It is now launching the Facebook. It has entered username, password, and it's done the execution. So this is how we can perform by using this clear, click, and send keys and click method. Now we'll try to do the same thing with submit option. Submit also perform the same action instead of click if it is a form. So let's comment this line, and here I can use, it's a button, right? So submit and save. So once my program is done, it's I can say print something, system.print.ln. Under that my execution is finished. So run this again. Now it will do the same thing. It will enter username, password, and submit the form. So you can see the results. It is saying my execution is finished. So this is how we can perform some basic operations from the Selenium commands. So in the next session we are going to discuss some other methods. So I hope this session is useful for you. In case if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any questions, queries, please do post in my comment section. Thanks for watching.